So we've got a posterior listing here at C4. You can feel her upper cervical spine is C2, twisting forward like that. And you palpate there's a lump here in the front. It's the transverse process, so we're going to come in through lateral flexion and a bit of flexion. Head relaxed here. Breathe in deep. All the way out. Right there. Beautiful. Yeah. It was big,
always,
right?
It was big. It was huge.
Yeah.
It's always crazy.
Yeah. and the reason we put that on film is that's a different type of adjustment. A lot of times we come from the back.
Right, okay.
From back this way.
Yeah.
It's very different from there, so
Okay,
that was
good.
solid.
Feels good.